Good morning. I'm going to talk about the topic of ECRM. What ECRM is, what ECRM is, and how it helps the industry. Talking about the ECRM, it stands for Customer Relationship Management. It is a process which is used to learn more about customers' need and behavior in order to develop stronger relationship with them. CRM thus helps bringing together lots of pieces of information about customers, sales, marketing, effectiveness and responsiveness and market trends. It is an effectively helps in responding to customers' needs and market them one-to-one basis. Today, there are many ways of customers which they can interact with vendors, including salesperson, website, catalog, email, store, trade shows, exhibitions, as well as advertisements. With today's technology, it is possible for each of these contact points to be driven from the same base of information about the customer. The first need identified in delivering true ECRM is integrated customer information architecture. Creating and maintaining this integrated information architecture is not a trivial process. The various applications contributing to the architecture need to be identified. The architecture needs to be designed to support to various applications and technologies involved and vice versa. The data must be extracted, transformed, and loaded into the environment. Replication strategies may need to be incorporated to keep the application in synchronization with each other. Creating and maintaining this architecture may cost millions and still not be perfect. However, the architecture is a fundamental cornerstone of comprehensive ECRM. As mentioned by Knight, the next step is to segment and analyze the needs. It is important to understand how and when the customers make their purchases. Besides this, it is also important to understand what the competitors are doing. There are statistical analysis techniques that can provide this insight. Once we better understand our customers, we need to be able to promote to them in a direct way. In today's business environment, this can take many forms. We may want to personalize this interaction with our websites, email, pagers, voicemail, faxes, and other telephonic messages. We may want to personalize a script on their next calls to our call centers or have our salesperson call them with specific product or service offerings. We need to be able to construct and manage promotion using a variety of channels and monitor the success of those promotions. We need closed loop processes which allow us to initiate, manage and monitor promotions through all of our channels. Tools to support this area are fragmented and solution specific. Salesforce automation and call center application only address one piece. Personalization engines only cover the web, broadcast engines only deal with telephony. Now coming to the advantages of ECRM. The main advantage of ECRM is that it helps in implementing the administration with the client and provide information of current and potential customers. It brings satisfaction to customers, which in turn help the growth of organization. It helps in increasing the sales and reduce the sales cycle. It is the most easiest way of marketing and targeting the customers. It increases the visibility of what people are doing. It provides aids of performing and recording the sales activity. It also increases the revenue and helps in bringing the continuous improvement in organization. Now coming to the growth of the ECRM. The ECRM market is booming, with some analysts calling it the fastest growing enterprise application field. It's a small wonder that the vendors of all sizes and types are targeting the market with solutions that tightly link the web and backend systems. At last, I hope my topic gives enough information about ECRM, about its advantages, and how these advantages can be both applied to both IT and non-IT sectors. Thank you.